Hey guys, Arpita here. Welcome back to Arpita's Kitchen. Today I'm showing how to make orange chocolate sandwich, which is very quick recipe and very delicious. So let's see what all the ingredients we need to make this delicious dish. For this dish we need a very few ingredients. As you can see, I have taken chocolate and I have nicely chopped it. You can take combination of dark chocolate and normal chocolate as per your wish, and you can chop it nicely. Few almonds. Take the almonds and finely chopped it so that it will fit to our sandwiches. Some oranges, and I have roughly chopped the oranges. If you don't like oranges, you can use banana, then it will be like a banana chocolate sandwich, but this is a great combination of orange and chocolate. 2 tablespoons of butter and few bread slices. I am using white bread. If you like, you can use a brown bread to make this dish more healthier as well. Both will go hand to hand. So let's prepare our dish. First we will take our butter and we will apply on one side of our bread. So I'm just taking the butter and I'm applying on one side of bread slice. Next we will add our rest of the ingredients to make our sandwich. First we will add our chocolate. I have nicely chopped or grated our chocolate, so I am adding the chocolate to our bread slice where we have not applied any butter. You can add butter for this side as well, but which is not really necessary. So I am adding the chocolate. Next we will add almonds, which are nicely finely chopped. You can add cashews as well, but with chocolate almonds will go very nice, and it's an healthy version for kids as well. So I'm adding almonds. Next we will take one more slice of bread and we will apply butter nicely. Add generous amount of butter so that your sandwich, when it is grilled, it will be nicely grilled and you will get a nice brown color and it will be crispy too. So I have applied generous amount of butter. Finally we will add our oranges to our sandwich, which are roughly chopped. Add the oranges at last when you are ready to grill, so that it doesn't soak on bread and it will make mushy. So I am adding oranges and I'll be placing the bread slice above, and our sandwiches are ready to grill. You can grill this on sandwich maker or on tawa as well. So let's grill now. So our grill is ready. We can place our sandwiches. As I have applied the butter on top of the bread, no need to add to our grill machine. So just place the sandwich and close for 1 to 2 minutes. If you don't have this grilling machine or sandwich maker, you can cook this on tawa as well. So I'll just cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Sandwich has cooked for 1 minute. You can see it is nicely grilled and you can see the brown color. So it's enough. We'll just dish it out. Our sandwiches are ready. I have just cut into two. You can see the chocolate has nicely melted with our oranges and almond, and it is grilled nicely on both the side. As we have applied butter, you can see the nice color on the sandwiches. This is a very healthy version of a sandwich to make our kids enjoy it. Hope you have enjoyed my video. If so, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. For more videos and recipes, please comment below what type of recipes you like to see in my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.